guys, welcome back to the Crazy House. I'm Willow. Today I'm going to be making brunch for my family and I'm going to be showing you how I make my French toast. So again, I've cleaned up my station, got all of the ingredients out, and washed my hands. So now I'm going to start. Start with 8 eggs. So this is the 8th egg. You don't have to mix this time because it's all wet ingredients. Next we have to put 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla. Now we have to put 2 cups of milk. This one. I'm going to put a little extra because it didn't go to the top. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And that's 2. And now half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now I'm gonna mix. So I mixed it very well and it smells great. So now I preheated my pan with butter and I'm gonna dip the bread both sides in. And now I'm gonna put it on until it's golden. The first side is golden. I've been checking it and I'm gonna flip it over. So they're ready, and guys, I can't explain how good they smell right now. It's as simple as that. So now that the French toast is done, I'm gonna do the scrambled eggs. So I've done all the eggs, and while I was doing the eggs, I also put in the bacon. That's the sizzling sound that you hear. So now I'm gonna put some salt and pepper, a little bit of salt, and pepper. And my secret ingredient, a little bit of a fresh orange juice. Yep, I think that's hot enough. Now I'm gonna make the scrambled eggs. So I use a non-stick pan and a plastic spatula so that it doesn't stick. And I scrape the bottom very carefully. So when it's almost done, I turn it off so that it doesn't overcook. So for a finishing touch, I'm going to put some maple syrup on. And also, just for a reminder, this mixture made a whole loaf of bread, so a family of 5. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell so that you know when I post a video. Stay safe and keep your distance from others. Bye!